In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get NordVPN on a Firestick. So a lot of people tend to have trouble downloading NordVPN. So very first link is simply head over to nordvpn.com platform, and once you are there, what you need to do is simply scroll down. So Firestick is basically used with devices like a TV. So how do you actually find it? You can see we have this TV section over here. Once you scroll down on your landing page and click onto this TV option, now below you can see we have VPN for TV stick. This is exactly that we need for today. And once you click on VPN for Fire Stick, it is going to be providing you this Fire Stick visuals, and on the right side you have VPN for Fire Stick. So once you simply click onto this option, you can see we have download VPN Fire Stick option. But before you download it, I highly recommend you guys download it using the link in the description for your Firestick device, because it is going to be helping you get 70% off and a lot of value. So if you're getting that type of discount, why are you going to be wasting money in downloading it from other sources? So yeah, we have affiliate link. You can try that out, and I hope this helps. That's how easy it is to get it for your Firestick and enjoy your shows, unblock regional issues that you get, and get a smooth experience overall. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.